Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup in green hell. First, you'll need a cooking vessel. A coconut shell works well, or you can find a cooking pot. Next, fill your container with clean water. You can use rainwater or boil dirty water to purify it. Finally, place your water-filled container directly over a lit campfire to begin the heating process. This is your foundation for any jungle soup. Once your water is boiling, it's time to add ingredients. Bone broth made from animal bones offers 15 proteins, 10 fats, and 5 energy, plus it helps with heat and poisoning. For a substantial meal, capybara meat soup provides 72 proteins, 22 fats, and 15 energy. If you need carbohydrates, cassava soup is an excellent choice, giving you 50 carbohydrates and 10 energy. To cook, simply drag your chosen ingredient from your backpack into the boiling water. Wait for the soup to finish brewing. Different soups provide various benefits. For example, bone broth can reduce heat and poisoning. Quasha amara flour soup instantly cures fever. Cooked soups are vital for replenishing hydration, energy, and even improving your sanity, making them essential for survival. Don't let your hard-earned soup go to waste. You can store it for later use. Craft a clay bottle at a pottery station or find a canteen. Once your soup is ready, transfer it from the cooking vessel into your storage container. This allows you to carry nutritious meals on the go, ensuring you're always prepared for the jungle's challenges. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.